Hey guys, it's Alpheus Moon here. Alpheus Moon 9. I'm playing Animal Jam. I haven't made videos in a while. Okay, so here I made a new account. It's supposed my thing's name is Alpheus Moon 9. The other one was just like something else. So yeah, I'm gonna be playing through here. Let's talk to her. Oops. Blah 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 blah. Head to the bunny burrow and speak with the bunnies. They will tell you more. Good luck. Sorry if I didn't read that. I'm sorry. Let's go. So I'm not a noob. I played Animal Jam. I was a member. So yeah. Here is Buster. The phantoms have polluted the water and now our plants won't grow. Ugh. Pumpkin. I found this cork, but I can't reach the phantom pipe over there. Can you help me? Sure. She's very tiny. Thanks. Can you plug the rest of the phantom pipes? I saw some phantoms up ahead, so be careful. Why is it always us? Why can't they defend themselves? Come on. So, I might be slow, I might be fast, and it's lagging. Grab this. Grab that. And try to get through this speedy quick. Find 2 more corks and plug the phantom pipe. Ow, I just... Come on. Oh, you did. You got something. I did actually play hard mode on my other account. It took me so long to find one last cork. Go over here. The phantom. Oh, guess not. Okay. Here you go. And yeah, you're always welcome to watch any other videos, not just mine. Mine are pretty bad compared to Stereo Moons and the Parties. If you don't know them, check them out. I just have to water some more plants. Up here? No. Where is it? And it's across the street. Yeah. In Dancing Girls, I completed the whole thing. I did every level, the Great Escape and the Hive. Yeah. So yeah. And I'm so sorry it's laggy. Former plants. Please give a like if you like this video. You don't have to, of course. You can just watch it. There we go. Go to Bunny Burrow. Find the key. Open the phantom door. George. Are you the one who bravely saved our crops? You're my hero. No, I'm not. I'm such a cheater. I found this key a while back. I think it unlocks the phantom door to the far right of the bunny barrel. A burrow. I'm sorry. It's wood. Not the best key. It can easily break. Oh, what? And one time I was playing this, I wanted to get out, but like it stayed at the adventure thing, and like it said it was my den. That was weird. I had to lock off and my head through the door. That's weird. Yeah. I'm probably not gonna make that many videos anymore. I'm hiding in the tall grass so the phantoms can't see me. Arctic wolf, I'm a wolf though. But you can't. Haha, you can't get me. Come at me. I'm gonna run though. That guy's there. And if you wanted, tell me videos that you would like to see me play. Or like what kind? Like 10 types or something. If you do want to, you don't have to, of course. Got you. Got you. Got you. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's so laggy. There we go. Tom set bunnies free. Oh no, why is that thing? Oh no. Good, just get. Oh my god. Hey there. What's wrong? I possessed you. Oh, I gotta get to there. I found 2 keys. Leg it. Ha ha. You're dead and you're dead. Ow! Hey, I wasn't there. That was not fair. I got him. He's glitched. What's wrong with this game? What's wrong? Take me. No, what's wrong? Whoa, he's still there even though I caught him. That's just a major bug glitch. I'm gonna rescue Snowball. Yeah, Snowball. You're my hero. You're my hero. Sorry. I get this key. Cause I'm a hero. And then we're going to get Joe. Thank you for saving me, Jack. Thank you for saving me. I'm a hero. Who is a hero? Somebody who saves people, somebody who leads. Yes, both. I don't know. Somebody who saves people. I don't care, because I'm under the grass. Now let's rescue this guy. Oliver, I think. I'm free. Don't get yourself excited. It's so phantoms. These one keys. It's gonna stop recording in some seconds. I must find it. Can I do it? Will I be able to achieve? Nope, I won't. Oh yes, I will. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna do it. So thanks for watching this little thing. I hope you enjoyed it.